If you're like most people, you use aluminum foil to line a roasting pan and cover your leftovers. You may even use a crumpled up piece of foil to give your pots and pans a good scour. But aluminum foil has dozens of other uses that can save you time and money. Here are 8 easy ways you can use and reuse aluminum foil that will make your life easier. 1. Improve your Wi-Fi signal. If you're the one who's not satisfied with the speed of your Wi-Fi or want to increase your router Wi-Fi strength, then with aluminum foil, you can increase the strength of your Wi-Fi signals. Wrap foil to a rectangular cardboard. Curve it and place it behind the antenna of your router. This aluminum foil will reflect the wireless signals into the direction that you want it to be. 2. Fix a battery connection. Over time, the little spring that holds the batteries in place within electronics, such as flashlights, can loosen. Take a small square of aluminum foil, about an inch squared, and fold it a few times, forming a small pad. Place the pad between the battery and the spring. The foil will keep the battery in place while completing the circuit. 3. Sharpen your scissors. If you need to sharpen your scissors and get rid of rust, fold several layers of foil and cut smoothly through the foil, ensuring all the blade touches the foil with each cut. Repeat several times. Check the sharpness of scissors and repeat if needed. 4. Remove static electricity from your clothes. Have you ever noticed dust particles getting attached to your clothes while drying your washed clothes? This happens because of static charge. The simple solution is to put some foil balls in the washer together with the laundry. After washing, your clothes won't accumulate electricity and attract dust and hair. 5. Move furniture easily. Unless you're the Incredible Hulk, moving heavy furniture across carpet is a difficult, back-straining process. Make the process a little easier with a bit of aluminum foil. Just stick it under the furniture legs, and it should drag across the carpet much easier. 6. Protect food from burning. In order to protect food from sticking in the frying pan, put a layer of foil at the bottom. This is also how you can cook without oil. 7. Seal plastic bags. Fold a piece of aluminum foil over the opening of the bag. Make sure the aluminum foil covers the plastic you intend on ironing so the iron does not come into contact with the actual plastic. Now run the hot iron over the foil for a minute or 2, allowing the plastic to melt and seal. Let cool and remove the aluminum foil. 8. Iron clothes from both sides at once. Put some aluminum foil under the clothes before ironing. Foil becomes hot really fast, and this is how your clothes can be ironed from both sides.